Wish I could tell you. What's up, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing a hydrated, glowy, simple makeup tutorial. I have always been obsessed with that glowy, hydrated, dewy skin, as you guys probably know, and I have found a couple products that really help me achieve that. So if you guys want to stick around, and I will also link all the products that I'm using in the description so that you guys can like get them for yourself. Oh, okay. So if you guys want to see a nice hydrated makeup look, then keep on watching. First thing I'm gonna do is put my hair back. It's a nice little scrunchie right here. I think that the true way to get nice, very glowy, natural skin is to start off with skincare. In my opinion, the makeup process starts with skincare. So the first skincare product that I definitely recommend, it's like a must for me, is argan oil. I just take a couple drops of this and I pat it into my face and I press it in, and it gives you such a nice healthy glow. Put it onto my hand like that. I'll literally just like pat that into my skin, make sure it gets absorbed. So once I'm done with my argan oil, I'll move on to moisturizer. The moisturizer that I use is the Desert Essence Essential Moisturizer. Okay, so that's a lot. This is an extreme dewy look. Oh, it's fine, just like... So if I can get my face in the right angle, I am pretty sure that you guys can see that my face is way more moisturized and glowy than it was before. Now I'm going to move on to a setting spray. My mom actually makes a setting spray for me, and I'm going to put the ingredients on the side so you guys can see what exactly is in it, but it's all natural and it really does help with the application of my makeup. So now that we are done with all the skincare stuff, I'm going to move on to the actual makeup. The first thing I'm going to do is make my lips moisturize because I hate when my lips are dry. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. But I'm using the 61 Grapefruit Lip Balm. I love it. For foundation today, I'm going to be doing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Porcelain. And but I just kind of just put one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot. And that is all that I need. So I'm going to take the butt end of my beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat that on my face. I have a bit of like rosacea on the bottom of my cheeks. I don't know if you can see that. So I usually just like to do this to even out my skin tone. And I've been trying to figure out like what's been making it get like all red and bumpy like down here. But I'm trying to figure that out, so bear with me here. So now that we have a little bit of a better base to work with, I'm going to make my face look less transparent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my favorite bronzer so far. I've only literally tried like 3 bronzers, but I love this one. This one is from Saint Cosmetics and it is a natural bronzer. It's in the color On Cloud 9. Oh, I love this so much. And I'm going to put this on with a Sigma angled contour brush. Put this on my cheekbones first. I'll just swash it around everywhere. So I like to take a bit and put it on the sides of my nose just to make my nose look kind of weird. Thinner, I guess. Oh, I should put my lights on. The next product that is really going to help with getting that very glowy, hydrated skin is the RMS Living Luminizer, and this is a kind of liquid highlight that I like to use on places where I want to look really glowy. I'm just going to basically take my finger, go in circular motions like that. I suggest like dabbing it because then you don't like wipe away your foundation. And I'm also going to take a bit of this and put it on my nose. But I don't think I necessarily look good with highlight all the way down my nose, so I kind of just put it on the end. So I hope that this is really showing up on camera, but I'm looking in the mirror right now and I can see that my face is literally glowing at every angle. R.I.freaking-P. As I was saying, RIP to my Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop Highlighter because I literally am the worst person ever and I dropped it like 8 times and now it's in 7 million pieces. And I'm going to take this little fan brush from Sephora and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones first of all. Then I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow. So now I'm just going to continue with my regular makeup routine, and that is going to start with my little cute, dirty, foundation crusted eyebrow, what's this called? eyebrow brush. I'm just going to brush up my eyebrows because I kind of like the shape of them. Make sure they're in the right shape, and then I just kind of leave them there. First of all, I like to curl my eyelashes with a Revlon eyelash curler, nothing special. And now I'm going to be using my holy grail mascara that I use in every single makeup look, and you guys are probably getting mad at me, but I'm sorry. I love it so much. It is the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. Mom, how's it going over there? Oh, I'm good, thanks. So to finish off this look on the lips, I'm going to be using the Pacifica Enlightened Gloss Nourishing Mineral Lip Shine. This is a really natural color, and I think it just finishes off the look really well. And lastly, I'm going to take more of the finishing spray, and I'm going to spritz this on my face. So this is the finished look, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. So let me know in the description if you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!